Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And today we have a 1967 Honda CL77 Scrambler that was once in pieces. We got this 1967 Honda Scrambler last year at Barber Vintage Festival in pieces. And then we proceeded to put it back together. Today we're at Barber Vintage Fest. And our big challenge, a 1967 Honda CL77 Build-A-Bike. Last year at Barber Vintage Festival, we didn't find a motorcycle, we found a puzzle. A 1967 Honda CL77 Scrambler, scattered in boxes, a frame here, a tank there, an engine in pieces. The kind of project that makes you wonder, can this thing ever be whole again? We started piecing it together right there at our swap meet spot. Not to ride, not to restore, just to make it easier to roll around. It wasn't a motorcycle yet, more like a ghost of one. But even in that rough state, you could see the soul of a Scrambler. Fast forward a year, and the pile of parts has been transformed. A rebuilt engine, fresh paint that shines like it did in 1967. A few rough edges smoothed out, but still true to its roots. The CL77 is more than just metal. It's history, preserved one bolt at a time. So guys, yes, roughly about a year later, about 11 months actually, this motorcycle was bought at Barber, completely disassembled. We put it together in our vendor swap meet spot, and mainly just to make it easier to roll around. And then it's my friend Tracy's, and then he took it home, pulled the engine back out, rebuilt the engine, painted the frame. He went through his pile of pieces and parts that he had, Scrambler bits and pieces, and he put bits on that made it look better. He did a little bit of natural organic tire balancing. You can see this dirt dauber nest here, all through here. And it's just about ready to go. I just recently, again, like I said, I painted the tank. We painted the tank and side covers with the VHT engine paint, the cast aluminum, and then put 2K clear on top of it. And this came out pretty good, if I don't say so myself. This was done in a rattle can in my outdoor paint booth, meaning it was done with a rattle can outside. And it's pretty good. We have yet to wet sand it or polish it or anything like that, and it's pretty good. It laid down really nice. I just recently Wrestled these back on for him, the knee pads, which was the biggest pain. Yeah, so when he got this bike, again, completely disassembled, it's got 4,191 miles on it. And this is the original odometer that came with it. And it was completely disassembled. I mean, we're talking the bearings were out of the steering. And so we're able to put it back together right then, but then he went and, again, pieces and parts, painted the frame, things like that, just to make a very presentable motorcycle. It is not restored, but what it is a very respectable motorcycle. And it will be for sale at Barber Vintage Fest. We did put power to it, and it does have spark. We did shoot some juice in it and got it to pop over. Oh, that was it. Try wide open. We went to put fuel in it, but then realized we were missing the retaining clip for the needle, so we shut down on that. But a really, really nice example, especially from where it came from. A bunch of parts. This thing, remember if you saw the pictures, it was the video, it was spray painted orange, and everything is back. I'm not sure if there is a no toolkit in there, but I'll also talk to him about that, see if we can find one to put in there. But really nice. Again, a fresh rebuild on it. All back together. It's pretty good. We have a couple of things left to do. We have to put the needle retaining clip in. He forgot to do it when he put the carbs back together. We have to put the horn back in and wire it in. Exhaust gaskets and clean up the exhaust here. Just a few things. Put the air boxes on. We just have these here just mocked up because things will get less scratched up when they're hanging on the bike than they do if you've got to move them around the shop. So, but again, this paint, VHT, engine enamel, cast aluminum is really, really close to the factory color. And you can buy it at AutoZone or Advanced Auto. So there we go. This from boxes to this. Pretty nice example of this bike. And it is for sale. You can pick it up at Barber's Vintage Fest at GNF 14 swap meet. Or send me an email at motorcyclerewind@gmail.com and we can get it to you before then. So this guy, pretty nice. I'm really happy with the condition of the paint, with the way it came out, from the way it looked before to the way we are right now, and all done, again, BHT, engine enamel, cast aluminum, and then 2K clear on top of it so it's fuel resistant. And pretty awesome. Just a few more things on this. The next video you will see this guy in. It will be a first start, first ride. And yeah, we'll be good to go. Guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.